Hi everybody, this is Marlene with Dixie Quilters, and boy, I got another box in the mail today and I can't wait to open it. So I brought it along with me to my daughter's house, and so we may hear my grandson in the background. Now these are my little teeny tiny scissors, and I think we'll break them in opening this package, okay? Okay, so you know, starting on Monday, we're going to be filming the openings for Keepsake Quilting and for the box A. And I've got a third box coming that should be here by Tuesday or Wednesday from Crazy Moose. Crazy Moose Quilting out of Wisconsin. And you get to build your own box. So I don't know what the specific items are, but I do know how much I spent on it. And it's about $5 or $10, similar to Keepsake and similar to Soft Squares with Lynn and Mr. Fix-It. Well, shoot, my little baby scissors may not be the answer to this, but we'll keep trying. Excuse me, may I have a knife to open this package with?
You may have a real pair of scissors. How about that?
Okay.
What did you bring?
Okay, so now we've got some dangerous tools here. We get to working on this.
Oh, golly.
Okay, we're almost ready to whip this thing open. Try not to watch all those box openings where they open the whole thing. I had to turn off Leanne, the pastry queen. I couldn't watch it all. And then I had to turn off Kathy with Hobby Home. I had to turn that off because she was opening it all up. And then there's another lady that opened Keepsake today. Oh, for goodness sakes. But we're gonna try to open it one day at a time for all three boxes. My goodness, Lynn, who is shipping this stuff for you? Okay, let's rip this open. Oh boy. This is a package that I started with their live sale last Monday. And everything from their website is 35% off until tonight. So, oh boy. So once again, we get that beautiful packet. And the best thing about this is the itemized statement with pictures of the product. So you don't need to wonder, what is it that I'm paying for, you know? So I got some basics, and they're probably gonna go towards the mystery quilt and towards the Jane Austen 250th anniversary. Because I needed a little brown polka dot of some sort, but guess what I'm gonna use? I'm gonna use Hershey Kisses. So that'll be Marlene's twist on that. And then look at this beautiful brocade. Oh my gosh. That's going to be one of those fabrics that is in the borders of the Jane Austen. And I'm looking at this one to be the brown stripe that offsets each of the layers to the quilt. I'm hoping that I can cut this on the diagonal and have it be my brown stripe. Or we'll run it the other way. I haven't decided quite yet. But it's the right color, and it meshes with my other fabrics that are going to be part of that whole look. Then here is a beautiful beige with spots, but it's heading towards peach. And if you'll remember, I'm making the Jane Austen quilt out of things that I'm picking with predominant peach highlights instead of pink. So here's some beautiful peach stripe and peach, not quite peach, but beigey peach. So I think, for goodness sakes, we're done now. I keep saying that, but I keep finding more and more goodies. So this is what I treated myself to for Christmas. And it is a design wall. I'm finally gonna have a design wall hanging on the wall. It's from Gypsy Quilter, and again, it was 35% off. So fabulous price. Center Stage design wall. It is 72 by 72. Oh, great. That's going to be wonderful. Okay, well, that's all for today's package. I'm waiting for my big package from Crazy Moose. That should come tomorrow or the next day. This is all of her wonderful stuff that she's got cooking. The Quilters Advent boxes. She did say this morning on her Saturday morning live that she is, the 12-day and the 25-day are available. The Quilt Retreat, there are openings available in the March one and I believe also the April one. And look at these two quilt patterns down at the bottom. Those are kits that are right now 35% off. And then here is our lovely flyer about their company with soft squares. And oh, look at this, National Quilting Day. Oh, it's a free pattern she sent me. Oh, thank you, Lynn. Look at that. Now that's darling. Didn't Lori Holt do one similar to that? I don't remember. I do know that we made a big block of spools for the Christmas figs. So anyway, so have a wonderful evening. I'll try to get this up so that you have something to remind you to get on there and purchase before the end of the day because these things are all 35% off. All right, well, good evening, and we'll talk to you again tomorrow. This is Saturday, and wow, it's been a whirlwind holiday weekend for me. How about you? All right, take care. Bye now.